ಎಂಟನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ABG ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಎಂಟನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸಮಾಜ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಈಗ ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸಸ್, fill in the blanks with the suitable words. The word democracy is derived from the word democratia. ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರಸಿ ಎಂಬ ಪದವು ಡೆಮೋಕ್ರೇಷಿಯಾ ಎಂಬ ಪದದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಡೆಮೋ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೇಷಿಯಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪದದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ದ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೋಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ 18 years. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ ಚಲಾಯಿಸಲು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ಕನಿಷ್ಠ ವಯಸ್ಸು 18. The election conducted once in 5 years in a routine manner is termed as general elections. ಪ್ರತಿ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಜನರಲ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. The institutions conducts election to local bodies is State Election Commission. ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸುವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಅದು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಆಯೋಗ. Answer the following questions briefly. What are the advantages of democracy? ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳಾವವು. Many countries have accepted democracy as the best form of the government because of its merits. The merits of democracy are as follows. It protects the rights and the dependence of the people through an independent judiciary. It is based on the principles of equality. It provides an opportunity to people to involve themselves in decision making and forming laws, etc. Next we go to see the how is direct democracy different from indirect democracy. Direct democracy, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಪರೋಕ್ಷ ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ನಡುವಿನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿರಿ. Direct democracy. In direct democracy, the people directly participate in electing their government, making policies and laws for their own progress and development. Indirect democracy, the people elect their representatives through periodical elections and send them to legislative bodies. Next question is 7th one. What is universal adult primacy? In India, we have representative democracy. Elections play an important role in the representative democracy. People have the right to vote in elections. In India, voting right is provided to all people aged 18 and above, and regardless of caste, qualification, and creed, and election, religion, language, and gender. Question number 8. List out the essential factors for success of democracy. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗೆ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರುವ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. The factors essential for the success of democracy. People should have an urge to protect democracy. People must always be vigilant. Tolerance is one of the basic qualities needed for the success of democracy. They must work with the spirit of give and take. Efficient opposition party keeps the government alert. It checks the ruling party from becoming dictatorial, etc. Question number 9. Why is efficient opposition party an essential factor in democracy? ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮರ್ಥ ವಿರೋಧ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? Efficient opposition party keeps the government alert, checks the ruling party from becoming dictatorial. Question number 10. Mention the merits of democracy. Merits of democracy. Democracy is based on the consent of the people. It is a representative government where people elect their representatives and they make laws. It is based on the principle of universal adult primacy. Elections are held at regular interval in a free and fair manner. The government is responsible to the people. Question number 11. Why are periodical elections necessary in democracy? ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯತಕಾಲಿಕ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗಳು ಏಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ? In democracy, people are ultimate source of sovereignty, supreme power, and government derives its power from them. For this purpose, elections are held at certain intervals. In India, general elections take place once in a year, 5 years. And here is the last question. The success of democracy depends on the voters. Discuss. ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಮತದಾರರನ್ನು ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿದೆ. ಚರ್ಚಿಸಿ. Elections play an important role in democracy. Elections provide an opportunity to the people to form their own government. It works on the principle of one man, one vote. The government is formed by the people or the makers. And Abraham Lincoln, the former president of USA, has defined democracy as a government by the people, of the people, and for the people. Democracy is form of the government where the supreme power belongs to the people. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ABG ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.